In this video we will show you how to activate the chat summarization skill to generate a condensed version of the conversation between live agents, or between a requester and virtual agent. To navigate to the Now Assist Admin console, select All. Select Now Assist Admin and then select Skills. Click on Customer Workflow and then select CSM. Locate the chat summarization skill and select Activate Skill. In Define Trigger, choose the scenarios that triggers the generation of a chat summary. For example, if you toggle Chat Wrap-Up, the chat summary field is automatically populated at the end of the conversation. Select Save and Continue. From Choose Input, select Add Additional Data Sources to select more portals to use as a source of input data for the chat summarization skill. You cannot deselect the default product portals that are already in use by other products. Select Save and Continue. From Define Availability, you can select Skill is always available to move forward without skill availability conditions. Or you can select Customize Skill Availability to open a condition builder which can select the fields and values that determines whether someone can use this skill. Select Save and Continue. In the Select Display step, select where you'd like to display the skill. Select In Product Desktop to display the chat summary on forms and workspaces. Select the arrow button to add or remove the roles that will have access to the skill. Select Now Assist panel to display chat summarization notes in the Now Assist panel. Select Save and Continue. In the Review and Activate page, review your choices and select Activate to complete the chat summarization skill configuration. The chat summarization skill is now active in your customer service management environment. Select Return to CSM.